What is happening, the Paris? What is happening, boy? Blessed Thursday afternoon to you. And we are on the road. Come on, girls, say hi. Hi, guys. We are on the road. This time we are in New Kingston. Yes, we are circle Jamaica. Just like American visitor. I flip the camera and show you. See? Wait, watch this. So we are vlogging and we are crossing the road. We are on Knutsford. What is here? I think we are on Knutsford Boulevard. Is this Knutsford Boulevard? So right over there. So we have Starbucks. There's a slew of restaurants right here. We have Island Grill. We have Island Grill over there. We have Pizza Hut. One of them must see it. Pizza Hut, Island Grill, and the list goes on. And we are going down right there, so you know we are on the road, so you got to hear all these noises. Everything is up top there, but yeah. We have Burger King right there, and I wish I could see it. Okay. And we are going towards the famous Chris Gale Century restaurant. Yep. Century Chris Gale restaurant up top, and so the big high-rise Sagicor building up there. So yep, people are looking like we are getting mad, but we not care. So different location, and the road is really like busy. Tomorrow it's gonna be worse. People starts getting their mountain pay today, so the traffic is like seriously mad, and it's gonna mad than this later on. Yeah, Triple Century up top, juicy beef down bottom. What kind of restaurant this? What a restaurant and name? Some other Chinese restaurant are sitting, and somewhere Kentucky we are back one at the gas station there. So Paris, we are here in the New Kingston. Yes, we are on Knutsford Boulevard, of course, New Kingston, Jamaica. In Money Shop, and see you in the next clip. That's right. Oh, the nice again. So Paris, I am in I wish I could have called Juicy Beef. Camera girl, this side say. So me have that. No, it's that chicken soup is so thick. So them serve me soup in a coffee cup. Sorry, please come in. I have one orange juice and I get a patty. I just want to get some soup. So the soup here, the price, how much is soup? I'm going to say $170. But it's thick, man. So Parry, I'm going to eat now. Come on, girl, don't want to eat here. I wanted somewhere where I could get a cup of soup. So when she eats, I guess you'll see. And then we're heading on to the supermarket. I don't know the name Janar Wang again, but we'll show you as we go along, okay?
So guys, we are going up to we're going up to Starbucks now. Well, mommy eats already. I didn't want anything in juicy beef. Yeah, I didn't want anything in juicy beef to eat because I was going to come in here, but I don't know if the line is too long. This isn't, well, partially. We're going inside now. Mom is going to vlog for you guys because I will be in the line
So guys, we are at this supermarket. I think it's the first. I first came over, girl. We ever come at a vlog at a supermarket here?
I've never been here before.
Okay, Jana Wang, New Kingston. A lot of Jamaicans know the supermarket, but the supermarket there for the rich people. Then me, I don't want to walk for to have a go in there today. I've been here a few times, because sometimes some little things you're looking for is only like this from the supermarket.
I need a bin. I need a bin.
Oh,
But
see
yeah,
one there.
Okay.
So we are on the outside, so we are on the inside in a bar. I'm not sure if I can.
More than likely. Well, maybe not. Depends.
So,
General Foods was the only.
Eh?
General Foods was the only nice place
Okay.
that was allowing us to do that. But
Okay, but we'll try when we
oh
go
no.
there.
Alright, so we're going to go in now.
So guys, this is the produce section. These are all fruits. And some of them have what I really want though. Do they have it? No man, they look for check on them white onion, let's see how them sell them. Broccoli. What's that? How for them broccoli so dear? Oh Jesus. Never come in here for the broccoli though. I need some broccoli, but no man, they come in a container by themselves. You don't have any here? Oh, then cabbage looks stale so. This is how they do the purple cabbage, and this is like $861. Half of a cabbage. Oh my god. So what kind of cabbage them here? Is that just local cabbage? Caribbean green local natural. That me know cabbage get expensive now, but me not buying a cabbage for 500. How you see them price here though? You don't see it?
No, it's not here.
They don't have them. And that big? Oh, I'm gonna eat them beetroot here. Them biggie. And what please? They have them? Or the chicken? So me I look for ant.
That's tissue down there.
Yeah, but me not understand them antawila or them antawila so expensive. So I want make the antawila white for what? $612. Oh, they have the smaller ones.
No,
But
honestly, this is the actual price of
Yeah,
this.
but why is it so expensive? That's the thing.
For every single one of them.
Well, me can't bother then. Me have to find. And how much for Viva?
There's no price here.
I think it's
Oh, yeah,
$1,000. No, I'm not buying that for $400 and something dollars. No. No way, Viva. No way. No, no. I might just have to get this antawil somewhere else. Honest to God. Only Paris, we are in Pizza Hut. And as you can see, that's by the cashier. And it's so empty. Only camera girl up there. Not sure if you can see her. She's behind one of these things. Inside here is so empty. I want to be blocking anyone. Actually, that's camera girl right there. If you can look through. So she getting pizza. She'll be dining in. So look, inside here is really empty. It was full earlier, so that's why she left and come back. So that's what is happening right now. She's waiting on pizza. And then it's a minimal fancy pizza already for her. So maybe when she come with her food, she'll show you guys, okay? Paris, the camera girl, pizza here. What pizza is that, camera girl?
Hawaiian.
Just Hawaiian? So all this, that little one you take? How much for that?
1,600 and something.
1,600 and some dollar for that? That little teeny pizza, yeah? Sorry, please comment in the comment section. Just 1,600 and something flat. Comment, Parry, please. Where you are, is pizza that expensive or is it not? And then how much? 1,600 US. That Jamaican. That would be like probably 10. No man, maybe about 14 US. About $14 are there, about something like that. 13, 14. Comment Parry what you think. I feel I love her that. So see her face there. She enjoy herself. But she don't want to drink her, she just don't drink her Starbucks and so. So Paris, thank the Lord Jesus, we are back home. I must give thanks that I went on the road and I came back. Both me and Kimara girl, we came back home. I'm just hope that everybody, whether in Jamaica or outside of Jamaica, will go out today. We reach back home safe. I don't know when was the last time you all in here you came to Jamaica, but it is crazy. The driving is crazy on the road. Parry, especially the bikers, they are off control, them indiscipline. It is crazy. We're back home and we give the Lord Jesus thanks. I want to share a little story with you. Actually, we called, it wasn't us, it was Jerry who called a taxi for us, and they said it was $700 for our fare to come home, and we had it. So actually, when we reached at the gate, we took up the 7 and gave it. And he said, no, you know, it was 6. Probably after he told Jerry the fare over the phone, he actually, it was one of those company taxis. He actually consulted with his company and he gave us back the extra $100. That was such a blessing. It was such a, you know, I just looked at it and said, well, it's not everybody running the fast way out. Not everybody want the fast way out. Barry, 90% of them will never tell you that they're going to stick it. You know, so good people are still out there. Me and you know that, Paris. So but always I give thanks, pray for everybody, individual prayers, Barry, and collective prayers, individually and collectively. You pray for me, I'll pray for you and your family. Prayers can't be too much. Things are going a yard, a care open, so we're gonna clean these, and that my come in, come see. Where's my bag? Let me get my bag. I didn't get a lot, Barry. I really never get a lot. I never go forget no lot because I ain't got no money. But this is how my day went. So all I got was this coffee. We don't have no coffee. That love brew coffee, but none of that here. So I'm gonna get a little something here. Camera girl get for care fruits. A long time we not have done this pepper sauce, and I wanted this. What is this again? Balsamic vinegar. I can't get it. I'm gonna look a regular supermarket. So that's basically what I'm gonna get. Cause actually I went for this, and I wanted some we call those cherry tomatoes. We wanted about because I have a video to do and I need it, but I haven't seen it. So actually this was what we really got. Wanted few more little things, but we just postpone it. We don't bother and all of that. So we're here, we're back home, and of course Camera girl got pizza. And latest update on Roxy is on the outside having pizza, and Roxy has a lady and 4 adopted children. They keep coming to the gate. But when we go to more Panitori, we can catch you when she come at the gate with our 4 kids them to Roxy. You know, we couldn't know. So this is what we have for you today, Paris. We hope you have enjoyed our little outing as we go along. Each time we go along, we're going to be going more out and out and all of that, as soon as we can get right to move around and all of that. So we're hoping that you are okay, your families are okay, and all of that, okay? Doesn't matter what you're going through. Remember to say a word of prayer. Remember to keep believing in yourselves. Never doubt yourselves. The sky is the limit. Weeping may endure for a night, Paris, but joy cometh in the morning. Doesn't matter what you're going through, it won't last forever. It will pass. Okay? So we're going to sign out for now. And you all remember, and you know, never let the evil around you, never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things.